Yeah, dear students, greetings to all of you. This is Arivu Karasu, teacher of English from Bharati Dasanar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. And this lecture is for class 11 students. The topic of this lecture, Macavity, the Mystery Cat, that is the topic that I have chosen, and this poetry is written by T.S. Eliot. So before starting of this poetry, I would like to share a few information about the writer, T.S. Eliot. He is a well-known writer, poet, scriptwriter, and also a critic. And he is a well-known poet during his 20th century. So not only that, he was awarded a Nobel Prize for his outstanding contribution in the field of literature, and which stood as the topmost priority for all the writers, of course. So he has reached that heights because of his writing ability. And he was greatly inspired by a fictional character from the Sherlock Holmes story written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. So that shows how visionary he is. So after reading those stories, he was greatly inspired by mainly a villain character, not the hero, the villain character, Professor Moriarty. So this poetry here, he has depicted the character of a cat, which seems to be so mysterious by its nature. So this character is depicted after he has got inspired by the villain character that I said. So in the story, in the Sherlock Holmes story, that villain seems to be so mysterious by his nature, and though he was a master criminal, most of the times he escaped from all the crimes. Nobody has touched him even, nobody has caught him red-handed. So that was his ability to be a master criminal. And here this character also, this cat, here is a cat which almost is depicted in the same way of that character. So you know very well, all the animals, they have their unique nature. All the animals, of course, all the animals, even including human beings, we have a unique nature. Right? Here too, the cat, it is some of the times you can see the cats are being domesticated. Right? You can see the cats in the neighborhood houses. The mere look of the cat itself is so mysterious. It seems so soft and gentle, but it is still dangerous at the same time. So the normal cat itself is accepted as a mysterious cat, but this Macavity, the character Macavity, seems to be more mysterious by its nature. So it is depicted, the character is depicted and portrayed in a very good way. Using all his poetic sense, he has depicted this. It is not only a poetry, but it can narrate a good story for us too. So before starting of this, I insist you all to have your textbooks ready so that you can mark all the meanings and all the relevant information needed. Right? So have it ready, and here goes, Macavity, the mystery cat. Even by seeing this word mystery itself, even I am eager to know how mysterious he is by his nature, and I guess you too will be the same state. So let's go and find out what kind of cat he is and what he does here. Are you ready? Yeah, here goes. Unit 4, poetry, Macavity, the mystery cat. So here is the first stanza given here, Macavity, and almost all the stanzas except the last one or two, almost all the other stanzas has only 4 lines, and this is the first one. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Just by mere reading itself, most of you may guess what kind of cat he is. I would like to start from this first word, Macavities. Here the apostrophe S is given, which is the short form of Macavity is, which means Macavity is. So the short form of this Macavity is given as apostrophe S. So generally, an apostrophe has 2 functions, either to use its short forms or else to represent the possession. For example, if I say Arun cycle, there the apostrophe refers or it indicates the possession of that object, ownership. Generally we call it as ownership. But here in this case, the apostrophe here is used to represent the short form. Don't forget. So when you read, don't get confused. McCavity is a mystery cat. What kind of cat he is? A mystery cat. Mystery, what is the meaning of this word mystery? Which remains unsolved, remains unknown. So he is a mystery cat. By nature, he is so mysterious. Most of the times, even the police, even after investigating thoroughly, they couldn't get much of the information about this cat. That's why here the poet described it as mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. Yeah, you know this meaning of this word paw. The foot of these animals like dogs and cats. And this mystery cat is referred as the hidden paw. That means which remains hidden always. Nobody could find about his moving. Either he is in the land or just jumping from one building to another, or he's flying, or is he flying on the air? Nobody knows because he is so mysterious, as I said. So he was familiarly called by the name the hidden paw. This may be asked in the appreciation questions, like what is the other name of this mystery cat? So the answer is very simple, the hidden paw. Right? Okay, then here goes the second line. For he is the master criminal. As I said, again here apostrophe is used, and here too it indicates the short form. For he is the master criminal who can defy. Note down the meaning of this word defy, which means challenging. Defy, challenging. Okay. So he is the master criminal. As I said, he is not just mere a criminal. You can see the ordinary thieves, the robbers, or the small criminals, those who are involved in small criminal activities, they have more fear for the policemen. But he is being the master criminal, he has no fear for anyone at all. Just he went on to get involved in many of the criminal activities, and he challenges even the law. That means he doesn't care about any law, rules, regulation, and the policeman in the investigation, nothing. He cares for nothing, totally. So that's why he is described as the master criminal. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. So let me tell you the meaning of this word first. Bafflement, which means utter confusion, total confusion. So as I have told you, the Scotland Yard, the headquarters of the policemen, even they are so confused how to catch him red-handed. But they failed to do so, and because they couldn't do anything about this mysterious cat. And that created the flying squad's despair. The meaning of this word despair, just note down, is disappointment. Disappointment. So this flying squad, which readily plunge into action whenever any crime happened. So this flying squad, readily they get into that action to catch the culprit. But they are so disappointed. Whatever the crimes committed by this cat, that created confusion in the headquarters, and not only that, even the flying squad is so disappointed about this because they couldn't do anything about it. They tried everything, whatever they can, but still this hidden paw always escaped from the scene. And the last line, when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. After the crime is done, when the flying squad reached the spot, McCavity is gone because they couldn't find him. The next minute after the crime, he escaped from the place and leaving no evidence. That is the important thing. He has never left any evidence to help the policemen. So that is why this policemen from Scotland Yard, they are so confused, and so they are disappointed about it. And yeah, talking about this rhyme scheme. This pa is the first sound, pa, A. And this next line, this next word, la, also ends with the same sound, and hence here I give the same sound, AA. Despair, it becomes a new sound, so we shall go for the next letter B. Despair, there, B. So both of these words, they end with the same sound, and so I have given this BB sounds. So the rhyme scheme of this stanza is AA, BB. And stanza 2, McCavity, McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. He is broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. So here again, like a McCavity, McCavity, there is no one like him. No other cat or no other animal can be like him, because even the human beings, the master criminal, they can leave some evidences on the spot of crime, but he is so unique, he has never left any evidence. So such an intelligent criminal he is. He has broken. So here again the apostrophe is used, and that is he has here, not he is. Here it is in the passive form. So here the short form must be assumed like he has, not he is. If it is an active voice, it becomes he is. In case of passive, it becomes has. So whenever you see this apostrophe and the letter S followed by this apostrophe, you must assume that it is a short form of either is or has. Okay. So he has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity even. So by his continuous crimes, he has broken every human law, because for our living there are so many laws created by our governments, and he has broken almost all the laws. He has never followed anything. And not only that, there is a law of gravity which is actually a natural law, it is not implemented by the human beings naturally, it is created one. So the law of, he has even broken the law of gravity even. Sometimes he was seen flying on the air too. Such a mysterious cat he is. And then his powers of levitation, the meaning of this word levitation is raising and flying on the air, floating on the air. Suppose if you try the same, what would happen? You may fall down, right, and you will get injured. But he seems to be floating on the air itself. That is why the policeman, they couldn't catch him. Would make a fakir stare. The meaning of this word fakir, actually he is a holy man. If you visit places like Kasi, you can see many of these holy men who seems to be with a long beard, and after doing many years of meditation, they have after acquiring many powers, when they exhibit their powers, like they are floating in the air, and sometimes you can see even some men sitting in that meditation position on the air, not on the ground, but on the air itself. You can see in even some movies also, they show all these talents of this holy man, that he is called a fakir. Even those people, generally common men, they look at him. When he exhibits his talent, common men, they look at him. But here, by the talent of this Macavity, even this holy man also will stare at him, continuously looking with surprise, looking at something with a lot of surprise. Even this holy man will be looking at him with a lot of surprise. How a cat can float on the air? Is it possible? And when you reach the scene of crime again, so the crime is done. If you reach, what would happen? Macavity is not there. Again, he will escape from the spot. So after doing all his crimes, he escapes within a minute of time. That is what expressed here. And here goes the rhyme scheme again. Macavity, gravity. Both of these words end with the same sound. So again, I am giving this sound A, and stare there, B. So the rhyme scheme of this second stanza is again A, B. Okay. So for making it technically a compact lecture, I have divided this lecture into 3 parts, and this is the first one, and followed by this 2 and 3 you can watch. Okay. So the explanation for the first 2 stanzas alone I have given here in this part. Thank you for watching this.